So next inhale, lift the right leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, bend and open up that right knee. So next inhale, gaze comes forward. We're going to bring right knee towards the right elbow. Inhale to send it all the way back. Exhale, right knee to left elbow and send it all the way back. Exhale, right knee comes back, this time to right wrist to send the right foot towards the left wrist. We're sinking down into our pigeon pose. Inhale to lift your chest. You can come up onto the fingertips. And exhale, folding forwards. Release your head and shoulders. If you have a block, you can bring your forehead down to the block, or you can bring it down towards the mat. We're breathing into the right glute, into the left hip flexor, taking a round of breath here. And as you next inhale, lift your gaze. Slowly walk all the way back up.